Connect internal USB devices directly to the motherboard header connection. Boot your OS from an internal USB 2.0 jump drive, great for customized embedded systems. Plug your USB flash drive directly to the motherboard for extra software security. Boot your OS from an internal USB 2.0 jump drive, great for customized embedded systems. Compatible with various USB 2.0 flash drives such as the Kingston Digital DataTraveler, SanDisk Cruzer, PNY Attache, Transcend JetFlash, Lexar JumpDrive and more. Top reviews from the United States. Works as advertised, which is something with a FDD in 2020. Not completely intuitive operation, as it doesn't show any status in Windows Explorer, until a disk is inserted, and the drive is selected. Then after an excruciatingly long delay, voila! You will see the floppy disk contents. So, it works as advertised, although I've had approximately 20% disk read errors, and haven't tested disks in legacy hardware to determine if these results are accurate or skewed. Nonetheless, for the money this is a fine purchase. Honestly didn't expect it to work at all with modern mobo processor configurations.